Hi, I noticed you're new here. My name is Ong.
Hello. Yes, I'm Mimi. We just moved here last week.
Welcome. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 10B. How about you?
That's great. I'm in 10B too. We're classmates.
Nice to meet your classmate already. Could you help me find the science lab?
Of course. It's on the second floor. I can walk you there.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. By the way, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and sometimes drawing. How about you?
I love playing football and watching movies. There's a new cinema that just opened downtown.
Really? I've been wanting to check that out.
Maybe we could go together this weekend.
That sounds fun. I'd like that. Do you know any good bookshops around here?
Yes, there's a great one near the market. I can show you around if you'd like.
I'd really appreciate that. Maybe we could go after school someday?
How about tomorrow? We can visit the bookshop and then get some snacks.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for all your help.